Hello guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you here with me. So today I'm going to show you a wonderful tool. As you know, the internet is such a vast place and there are so many tools out there, some of which you know, some of which that I know, some of which that both of us we don't even know. So every time I discover one of these wonderful tools, I always like coming here and sharing them with you so that as well you discover some of those wonderful gems. And today it's nothing short of that. I'm going to show you a wonderful gem I just discovered and which has been helping me ever since. So this tool is called, this website more precisely is called Image to Text. And so it might seem simple, but it's something very powerful. And so what this website does essentially, it's that it's going to convert it's going to extract, let me say more, extract the text from any image you put in on here. And so this can be very useful because we get to meet a lot of images all around the town, all around the time on the internet and all, and you don't always have the time to type them all out. And so you need this kind of tool to help you to do this very fast. So let's say, for example, I want this text which is written here, for example. I want to get it and copy and paste it somewhere. What I could do right about now is, okay, I could select it, and just copy it. That's done easily, right? But what if it's an image that I can't just select? What if it's an image I can just do that? If I go and search for an image, maybe let me just type message and go to an image there and have something written on an image that I want to get. How do I do that easily? For example, we do have an image here. If I want to get this text, how do I do this? I can't just select on the image. So how do I do that? Or for example, if we have this image here, how do we do that? So this website is going to help us do that so easily. So right now, let's just go ahead. We select, right click on the image, copy the image, and we come to the website, and all we need to do is paste the image. As you can see, I've just copied the image and pasted it on here. So you can as well upload the image, you download it and upload it as well using the button that was there previously, or you can just copy the image and come and paste it on here. That's as easy as it gets. Once you do that, you just click on submit, and now it's going to extract the text inside the image. Whatever image it is, whether it was colored or not colored, is going to extract the text. As you can see, I think it has done a pretty good job of extracting the text. Hello James, your FedEx package with tracking code. See, if we come back here, you see, hello James, your FedEx package with tracking code. It has done a perfect job. So there are many other tools out there which claim to do the same thing, but I find this particular website not only very fast, not only very smooth, but also very efficient at doing this. So let's try, for example, this or that image. We are going to just refresh the page. Let's just try to get this as an image and try to extract the text from there. So I have a little shortcut that is going to allow me to take a screenshot. And so I'm going to do that. Now I come on here and I paste my image. As you can see, I've just pasted this as an image already. So now we are going to submit it. And let's see if it's able to do a good job as well of extracting that text from it. So it's taking its time. And there you have it. Premium, $3.99. 50 images at once. As you can see, it has extracted the text without no single error. So it uses a wonderful technology, optical character recognition, and it is very swift and smooth. I really appreciate this tool, and it speeds up my work a lot when I have to get text out of an image, or if I'm just simply trying to get a text out of something and I don't want to type it all out. And so I really enjoy this tool. It is bookmarked on my browser, and I recommend as well you do the same thing, so that next time you see a text you want to copy, next time you see somebody's number, for example, online, and you want to get it, you don't need to type it out, you just need to paste that image here. So I hope you enjoy this tool, and I hope you make use of it, and equally hope you enjoy this video. Catch you on the next one.